Hello 108 students, Mr. McHugh here with you. We're going to tackle section 9.5 here in this video, and we are working our way through page 4. And this is again another summary page of comparing the horizontal shift. I just really want to make sure everybody has every opportunity to see what the impact of the equations are based on what happens inside the parentheses. And from my last video we explained all the perfect square trinomial and a binomial squared. And so what happens here is in blue, I try to use a little color here for you. I do this on the board here, and this represents a horizontal shift to the left of 2 units because -2 plus 2 would give you a 0, and you're looking for that 0 squared. Okay, I got something down here we'll talk about. So that was the horizontal shift. It's in blue. And next, what I did was the parents where we started with. Remember, f of x can always be written with y if you want to help you be a little more familiar with it, comfortable. So y equals x squared was the parent. We left that in black. And finally, the horizontal shift of 2 units to the right was based on when there was a minus sign in there. And so that's because if you put a positive 2, minus 2 gives us 0, and 0 squared is where the vertex lies. Okay, so you can see here, I try to line this up. Sorry, my writing's a little crazy here. This is x plus 2 quantity squared. This one is x minus 2 quantity squared equals y. And there's a good visual of the graphs of the horizontal shifting going on. Okay, so I got this caution here, and I've kind of been talking about it. But basically, be careful with the horizontal shifts, the signs. A lot of students, they turn around there, they see that, I don't even want to say this too much, they see that plus 2 and they think it's 2 units to the right. 2 units to the left, right class? Right here, this is the parent, so you know there's no shifting. It's right there on the parabola. Oops, that's supposed to hit the origin right there. And finally, this is a minus 2. It's not 2, it's 2 units to the right. Okay, so over here I have caution, be careful with horizontal shift. Find a vertex first, setting the parentheses equal to 0 and solving for x is another way to say what I've been saying here before. You work with whatever goes in your head, but I want you to get it in your mind. Don't memorize the short-term stuff, okay? You'll forget it. In 143 you'll go, I don't know, I can't remember which way it goes. Okay, so if you see inside the parentheses, what are you going to remember? If you see a positive number, you're going to move it to the left. Think of opposite. Okay, maybe that helps. Okay, nothing wrong with that. If it's an opposite sign, if it's plus 2, go to the left 2 units. If it's a minus 2, take it 2 units to the right. Okay, so this is just a summary. You know, some of these graphs on here, once you recognize the pattern, the vertical shifts and the horizontal shifts, you're in good shape. Okay, speaking of vertical and horizontal, page 5, we are going to go ahead and tackle quadratic formulas that are in that form that allows you to easily see that, and we'll tackle that on page 4. So, Mr. McHugh, in green mode here today, I don't know, I'll give you a check off here. We are halfway through section 9.5, so we'll tackle page 5 when I come back. Okay, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.